Get your morning started right with a classic twin bell alarm clock. This black dial with neon green numbers is easy to read. The hands glow in the dark. Additionally, it also has a touch-activated backlight. The twin bells produce the perfect blend of sound and volume to get you out of bed. The operation is simple. Insert two AA batteries in the back of the clock. The alarm shutoff is easily found on the back of the clock. The backlight can be activated with a touch of a button. The silver alarm hand makes setting the alarm easy and clear. This classic alarm adds to the look of any bedroom, adding a touch of class. As a clock manufacturer, your pricing is excellent because we have eliminated the middleman. We sell direct to you. So if you have any questions, you can please reach us at 310-598-7906 or on the web at www.chaseclocks.com.